Dan stopped off at the petrol station for some snacks. Classic choice. It's not focusing. Today's Monday and we decided
to go on an adventure.
Yes, we did. Lame!
Oh, so strange.
I'd like to share with you how impossible it is to drink something while Dan's driving the truck. Not by your fault or anything, just the truck.
Sure.
Stop it. I can't.
I'm not doing it on purpose.
You are.
I'm not. I had to change gears. I told you we had some loose bolts on the prop shaft.
Oh, I got a sip. I got a little sip.
It's worse when we're slowing down, not when we're speeding up.
It's pretty bad either way. Even when you're just driving on the highway. Oh, look, and I spilt it all over my dress. I've done a photo shoot on this road before. But now it's all been developed. It looks much nicer before. Time flies. Who needs zoom when you've got arms? I've also done a photo shoot here. There. So many photo shoots and memories on this road.
And there.
And there. Oh, I missed it. Good times. We're here. Dressed with pockets. What? I know we want to try out the Sony for vlogging, but I'm just so happy that I put this back. I love this guy. Oh my god, what the heck? Look. That's pretty detailed for a drawing in the dirt. Alright, we're starting the trail. The trail is like 100 meters. I'm always waiting. Waiting for the Dan. He's so small. That's the trail that we are following. And we should be there in like 10 seconds. Let me count us down. 10. 9. I've been counting in seconds. I'm just counting to suit me so we get there at 0. Oh, we have to go that way to get around. Cool. Oh dear. Oh, it's gonna end badly. Yay, we're here. Last time we were at these tracks, we were doing a photo shoot with our friend Jessie, who's a stylist, and she like came up with the idea and everything. Hey Dan. We did a photo shoot inspired by the movie Stand By Me. At the end of the day, we came here to take some photos. Insert footage from that shoot here.
Well, it says that boy, you just gotta slow down. You can't keep a traipsing on a mental shakedown. No more movies or staying out late. My baby have to find herself another date. I'm having a nervous breakdown.
By the way, thanks Jesse for leaving us and moving to Canada.
I know, we miss you.
Yeah, let me go take some photos of you.
Yeah, these train tracks are abandoned.
No, they're not.
Don't go on live train tracks, it's dangerous. And they're abandoned.
No, they're not.
They are.
Is it not abandoned?
I'm pretty sure. Well, okay, like one tram comes by here like once a day.
No.
Yes.
This is a normal train.
No, it's not.
Dude.
It's not a normal train track. You're lying.
Of course I am.
They're abandoned.
No, they're not actually.
They get used like once a day. Stop it! Don't go on live train tracks. Thanks, Dan. Let's go. Adventure 1, down. We're heading off to stop number 2.
There's no trail somewhere?
Let's just jump out and have a quick look.
How about
With you guys. Hey, hidden in the bushes, there is a wooden staircase that takes you to the waterfall, but apparently you can see the falls from where you park, so that's why I don't think this is it. Right, let's go. Waiting for Dan. This it.
On a scale of 1 to stairs, how many?
0. Let's continue and we'll see what the next one looks like.
To the next one?
Yeah.
Off to the next one we go.
Let's shoot some brawl. Whee! So next thing you see, pull into it. It's happening. Yeah.
This is the next.
Yes, falls. I see the word falls. National Falls.
Jill sees the word falls.
Yay!
I do not have the correct tire pressure to be driving over sharp rocks today.
This it.
We out
National Falls. Yeah,
here.
yeah.
And I should
I need to stop saying that.
I want to go up that little mountain.
I have noticed.
Probably shouldn't.
We made it. What are you doing? Talk us through what we're waiting for.
You're waiting for Dan.
Amazing.
Dan, who
Look at him. Concentrating over there.
the difference is that my vlog camera actually looks cool.
And high quality compared to mine.
Yeah.
This is what we're waiting for, guys. Look at this. Look at that beaut. So dumb. So Aussie. Can't get enough. Look at this.
Don't listen to it. Also, can you hold it for a second?
It's too heavy. Oh my god, you guys. The heck? Didn't give it to me very good. Hey! Oh my gosh, my hand's shaking holding this thing. This is so hard. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Dan! I'm waiting for Dan. Double time. Dan, this looks so nice. Wow. My camera focuses while you're filming. What is yours do? What does it do?
Mine actually looks good.
Alright. I have to hide this camera because we can't have them both in the vlog. Woo! National Falls. Yeah. I need to stop. I keep saying all the things I'm regretting.
I'm though hoping that audio is recording.
Oh, because you can't tell, can you?
Yeah, well, I didn't check the padlock.
The guy did say to hop over the fence, so I guess you'll be seeing us do that shortly. Let's try to find the trail to the bottom. Oh, there it is. Just come to the right of this pointless fence around the waterfall, and you can get to the bottom of it.
Going down.
Down the stairs.
Down. Let's go.
Dan, don't go backwards, please.
Apparently I can't get back. Why do I get sacrificed?
Let's go. Not even focus. You wait. I'm good. Let's go.
Huh?
I'm back.
So, thoughts on this place?
I love it. I'd give it like honestly like an 8 out of 10.
Really?
Yeah. Australian rating.
7.5. What you doing?
I like that. It's like a longer exposure.
Long exposure. What tripod are you using? It's the
I'm using the Lens Cap 2000.
Lens Cap 2000.
Right. Highly recommended. Alright, back to my 1.4 waves. taking some awesome photos of the waterfall, thanks to Dan. And now we just noticed that sunset's happening over here. So I think we're gonna take some photos and maybe just chill on the edge of the cliff because it's really pretty.
Made it.
Yes! We here. This is really pretty. Guys, that cliff goes to nothing. The waterfall goes down it too. Wow. And that's where we were. It's awesome. And then the waterfall continues just over there. That's incredible. Thank you. I really like these stairs, they're cool. Back into the warmth of the truck. Orange. Thanks, Dan.
Yeah, I put the white bar for like 7,000 or something.
Cool.
Dinner.
We have some wonderful wraps from Costco that Dan bought us yesterday for the dims. Such a good day so far. So happy. Currently going to our next location. I have to use my phone to light my face up because we're in the car and it's dark. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, there's no one around, so it's alright. It's only 5:55 and it's like dark out already. We're gonna go to the beach and we want to take some like nighttime photos. Don't know if we'll be able to get any stars in our
Left
shot
or right?
because it's left.
Right.
Because it's quite cloudy today. But I mean, we'll go down and give it a go, you never know. Yeah, that's it for now. Alright, here we go, Gary Beach. Turn the lights on the count of 3, ready? 1, ready? Dan!
Sorry.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh, I didn't turn mine on. Oh my god, it's dead. Oh. Got a little boomerang of the waterfall. 1A7AS, whatever. Coming right up. 1A7AS. Sony should make a camera called that actually.
The 1A7AS.
Yeah. Let's film the struggle with a torch.
Oh, thank you.
Any stars?
I don't know, we'll find out soon. It's going to be a really blurry shot in almost 30 seconds. Yes, there are stars above us. Hey, I could do the truck in the car park long exposure.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Cool.
That's not
Cool.
that's good.
Why is that so dark? It's getting a long exposure of the truck in the car park. Possibly with some stars. We will see. I like this shot that he got of me in the car. Pretty cool. Oh wow. I wish I brought more snacks. I'm always thinking about food. So now, pretty much just heading home.
I enjoyed it.